Hi everybody, Ellie here with T-sportline, and today I have a 2016 Model X that we just finished wrapping using TMaxx metallic Mars red color change PPF film. But before I get into the details about this film and how it protects your Tesla, let me share with you a little bit of a backstory. This is a 2016 Model X, the first year that the Model X was released. And back then, like most Teslas, there was a signature series of Model X's that were custom painted and finished in a signature red color. Those sold out very quickly, very popular, and this customer unfortunately missed out, so opted for Plan B and took delivery in the white color the Tesla offers. But all along, all those years, the aspiration to have a signature color red or something similar was something that he always wanted to achieve. And he came to us recently and said, what have you got in vinyl or PPF that will achieve what I wanted from day one years ago? TMaxx metallic Mars red is very close to the Tesla signature red. And while it's not an exact one-for-one, it's close enough. And as you can see, it looks absolutely great. Now, this customer was on a budget. Originally, they came in looking for vinyl film. And for those of you that have shopped, vinyl film wrapping your Tesla is less expensive than PPF and less expensive than color change PPF. But you know what? Our friends at TMaxx have the most competitive prices when it comes to color change PPF. And thanks to that, you can actually have a win-win scenario. You can have the best of both worlds. You could change the color of your Tesla and protect it with PPF film that's twice the thickness of most vinyls. The warranty is up to 3 times longer. It's hydrophobic, it's easy to clean, it protects your paint underneath while simultaneously giving you the color change. And this Model X looks absolutely great. You can't even tell that this was originally white. And that's because we do such a good job at T-sportline at our service center when we wrap Teslas. But yes, this color was white, and now it is TMaxx metallic Mars red. The customer wanted to take things to another level. He had 22s that came with the Model X, but you know, over the years, curb rash, they got a little beat up, they looked a little dated. So he went with our one-piece, fully forged MX114 wheels, finished in diamond metallic Mars red, a custom finish. So as you can see, the face lines have got this brushed clear coat on it, and the inside windows of all the spokes is a perfect color match to the wrap. This Model X looks absolutely stunning. It has a whole new life, a whole new appearance, and is ready to hit the streets in LA and be enjoyed for many, many more miles. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.